After traveling to a lot of southern destinations over the last couple of years, in 2018 my girlfriend and I decided that it was time for us to travel north. So in March we started our trip to Iceland, and this is our experience. When we arrived, we were super stoked about this incredibly beautiful nature. The landscape is just otherworldly and so different than anything we had ever seen before. We immediately fell in love with this place. So we got our car and started our journey straight to the far west of Iceland. There we found some of the most beautiful mountains with a lot of frozen waterfalls and just endless views without having to deal with a huge amount of other tourists. And this is one of the most important things about traveling to Iceland. If you want to experience the real and calm beauty of this country, better stay away from the tourist hotspots, since Iceland has a lot more to offer for sure. You can simply drive around and you probably stumble upon some waterfalls and glaciers and volcanos yourself, just like we did. And even if it does seem like all the beautiful spots are real far away from each other if you only look through travel guides, it can help to just observe the road signs on the side for interesting spots. This way we found a breathtaking group of volcanoes in the northwest, just a few minutes away from our cabin. So definitely make sure to look out the windows while driving around on the island, because there are so many beautiful things you don't want to miss, like all the hordes of Iceland horses you will find along the streets and all the endless fields of cold lava covered with moss, black sand beaches surrounded by golden hills. You definitely don't want to miss this. So if you like to just go out and explore, better put Iceland on your bucket list.
I'm gonna be alright, I've been caught in time. I want you to know that I love you so. My friend, the skies are bright, I see orange light. I want you to know that I love you so. And I feel like gold, and I love you so. I'm gonna be alright.